Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am doing a hotel review today of my hotel in Beverly Hills, which is called the Beverly Terrace Hotel, or Hotel Beverly Terrace. It is lovely. I am actually super happy with this boutique hotel, and it's kind of on the border of Beverly Hills and West Hollywood. It almost feels as though you're staying with like this super cool friend in their guest room. The rooms are on the small size, but the hotel includes free Wi-Fi, free breakfast from 7 to 10 a.m. daily. It apparently has a rooftop bar that I have not gone to see yet. And the valet parking is $30 a day, which, as someone who stalked out the area, is actually really good. So I overall love the room. There are a few little like nitpicks that I have, so I'm gonna kind of take you on a tour right now, and I'm also kind of sneakily filming some B-roll as I'm kind of in and about the hotel. So I will intersperse some of that in and then finish with my final review after my stay, so that way you can get the full picture. I will say I'm giving you a room tour at night, which is why I look super tired right now. I just was out in Malibu for the day, driving around. I've been out for like 8 or 9 hours, but because when I checked in last night, I literally like threw my bags down for 5 minutes and ran out to dinner with a friend, I didn't get a chance to film it. So I'm filming it now. I wish I could have filmed it in daylight, but I'm checking out tomorrow morning, so it's now or never. And because I'm really smitten with the hotel, I want to share it with you now. So let's jump in. When you come in, so I've already been sitting on the bed, so sorry it's a bit messy, but when you come in, like literally it's door here, which actually, look at how cool this is. I don't know if this will focus. The door, like, so many hotels don't do this, but the door lists checkout time, lists the complimentary breakfast, they have a restaurant on site, free Wi-Fi, and there's a rooftop from 10 a.m. until sunset. So maybe I'll sneak up tomorrow morning and check that out. But super useful. So when you come in, you immediately have a view here of the bed, which I'm sorry I've made it so messy. I was just sitting on it. But how cute is this? It is like a massive bed. It is so super comfortable. Like the sheets are so soft. The bed is so comfortable. Like I slept so well last night. Over here on the right, you have some like look at how cool that mirror is. And one thing I wanted to show you, like look at like the old school vintage phone. How hilarious is that? And then as you pan across the room, yes, I am actually, I would say my room number is 48. I would definitely recommend trying to get an internal facing room. There definitely is some street noise, but if you actually put your AC unit on for the night, I really didn't hear it at all last night. So you have like a little desk area. They did, when I arrived, give me a full, like a complimentary full bottle of water. I was a bit disappointed they didn't refill it today when they cleaned my room. And then there also was some complimentary free like little kind of cookies here, which I ate today. Then you have a little chair, a flat screen TV. I'm gonna show you the closet first before I show you the bathroom. So really nice size mirror, which I've been enjoying. Then this is the closet area. So you have, so I have like I have two suitcases. I have one suitcase here. I have another kind of suitcase down there, but actually like pretty decent amount of hangers, like a little mini ironing board. There is an iron back in there behind my stuff, but yes, you have a safe, a mini fridge. I've got some of my shoes stored down here. And then let's go look at the bathroom. So the bathroom is also very kind of small but functional. So we have like a little vanity over here, which actually, interestingly, what is it? You can actually open it, which is kind of a nice hack for some more storage. Instead of doing the efficient thing, I've stored all my bits in here, but good hair dryer, super soft towels. Oh, it looks like they opened my bath. Oh wow, there's no curtains either. Interesting. And yeah, so this is, let's close the door there. This is the shower over here. So really simple, just got some little bits in there. So I would say there definitely are noise issues being on, so it's the North Dahini Drive kind of side of the hotel. It is very much like a 2-lane or 3-lane motorway. You probably heard in the background here while I've been filming this, you could probably hear some of the traffic noise and horns honking. So if you are someone who's a light sleeper or concerned by that, I would recommend that you get a room that faces the inner courtyard of the hotel. The inner courtyard of the hotel does look into the restaurant and the breakfast area though, so that might have a different kind of noise. So that's, you know, that's something you can think about. As I mentioned, I turned on, so you have like right here, you have like a little way to control kind of the AC and the fan. I turned that on just to have some white noise. I don't find it particularly hot or cold in here, so that's helped. I really did not hear anything. I didn't get woken up at all last night, so that's been good. I would say the water pressure in the shower is on the weak side, but it also was at the last hotel I stayed at in LA as part of this trip, which I didn't film a review of because it just honestly wasn't review worthy. But it might just be a California thing with like water pressure and water conservation, so don't know how much I can ding them for that. Wi-Fi works super well. Loved the free continental breakfast. It's very basic. Like they did these like little triangles of waffles today with like little, they like had them called like waffle shots. It's like a waffle with like a little shot glass with maple syrup in it, like on it. Very cute. Like the waffle was like a garnish with the glass. There was tons of fresh like watermelon and cantaloupe. The most delicious like pain au chocolat, like mini ones. I had 2 of them. Coffee, all the different kinds of milk substitutes, 2 different kinds of cereal, banana bread. So there were so many good options, so I was super happy with that. The valet has been really easy. You can like call down to the front desk to get it kind of like expedited if you want to get out and go. I really highly recommend it. I feel like super happy and at home here, and it's just cozy and wonderful and boutique-y, and it's been super perfect for everywhere that I've wanted to go so far. So far, a very great thumbs up from me. Thank you for tuning in to my Hotel Beverly Terrace review. I'll leave all of the links down below and a blog post for those that want to dig a bit deeper. I'll also leave my epic Malibu road trip vlog linked down below. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you subscribed as well as liked this video, and leave me a comment, give me some feedback, let me know how I did. I hope to see you guys all again soon on this channel for more great travel and hotel reviews. Thanks again, guys. Bye.